mà là cái sáng đó chạy nhỏ cái đúng đít media cái chẳng cái gì cái phải kel cái ron khi nó đang rau để dân đang rau để bắt kel agan mak bangun gok bay nong la ti la nong yani siang cái đúng đít media cái ti la rodian cái junub Sudan cái này win mo nó rodian and wala cái chẳng cái gì cái phải kel đúng đít media be nong situational update ada de ba nong ye bala ta khor ti yara linga ko ni đang rau ti cái nyam ba ye nong la cái ta khor cái lat cái Unity State cái bantiu ana ko linga bantiu ni paneje mana pan mana ne wala ba yul nong coverage ta na na yor lat ke je ke ni wonit ko where are we today ke chang wala na mere oda bala update ke northern Jonglei State ke area ba yot ke area of yai bana ga duk situation lat tin ga ko ni nang rawti ko security wide ba ko no yala update mere odian bala massive mobilization la ro ga jub by government can assortment of SPDF toward Jonglei State. Take mobilization with the road, make sure that recording number of it, assortment of police, militia, element of SPDF, organize kume, nang kaka Jonglei State, the core, and the location of Wagatin, Agadiang. Namabago no yellow update. Including one and why Gadiang is very important for them and very important for the SPLMIO this operation. Taro kan dok ba no yo dung dit media ga kwa changdar. Mala ne ko yene ko dong ko la ne ne dung ko ne online ka dung dit media ma. Bi ran jo mala thiemping linge bi like ko bi share ko ba ne ko no wan le ko tung no ra na. Well, good judge can a bar corno negodung did media. Jeremy Jagalarco did Yam Bala Unity State la Bantu. Bantu yet a Korea Linga Corin Damrote. Korea talk Kurijamus. Kurijamus take Northern Unity State, area of Rupcon, a Rupcon County. Thì nhìn tin pan này chứ, giờ spell mà yêu sẽ control. Thì khối bên nhìn cái Pakur is about 3 kilometers away from Bentiu town, from Rek Bentiu. Giờ spell mà yêu sẽ control. Thì nhìn cái chỗ Rabiet, giờ spell mà yêu sẽ control. Thì nhìn tar wang yel, trong một bây giờ spell mà yêu sẽ control. So we see that announcement yesterday, and then pan, Tacha non get clearly. Again, that but I spell my you. We got the dial to our control. Around Rupcon County, Kabantiu. So no development you let pan nejek and pan ka Rupcon. So when we talk about good county, headquarters of Good County, Chakop, SPLMIO, under command of James Malagwetor. Colonel James Malagwetor, SPW, good Chejo Panaje. Machejo, that means today, situation is full under the control of SPLMIO, command of Colonel Malagwetor. So the dog continue lat area of Gwit, area of Rupcon. So we talk about area of Gwit and Rupcon. Nay the corner kwa area of inhabitant. Kajikan, like the Kanching, can a leg, a Kanchang Boromoto. Muluno area of Aswella Mayo as we talk today, which our control again entirely. Development of the nation of Latiang Kabantiu. You allow clashes around POC outside and inside. And the reason you are not young work POC a government, as SPDF. SPDF take a contingent of both as PDF can as PLMIO which are deployed ka POC for security purpose ka korun dar amit larga kel so mechi kore parni government was worried as PDF in the root con cha gor ko da element of SPL mai wo de con ta ka POC da ka disarm da ma chen da ka nang and then the clash started chinanyi ke kwa tangenen ko tiang SPDF che cha wore ke heavy weapon ke wulidini che pela mayu che withdraw recall tiang war so that was the development in Batio town area of Pakur government was chilling randomly mecha Pakur mecha cup then chetu ko mo na ke chilling till open wini then as well my was quiet can't respond the reason within the town group con can bantiu publishing the thing guy chap bantiu the as well my was urging them we are ka POC ni pan ko bada ku chi yen the battle of bantiu de kul comment ka gwa pan as a response ka kumela SPDF duk dia leading to unimis pan ka war che ko lo spele chap pen ko yen la objective wo be chap be use la human shell ke corona na be the tin ti ang no mo ka bantiu chap were trying to enter unimis pin ko ya duk ken dia la jela ga ya ga SPDF so mi shar ka no shura ti ang war ke ya bantiu me this morning take a report la ga je wo te ko kor mi chiro la de winimi ke ya to rabiet wo ku bi nyamol that area is approximately very close to Rupkon Minkola center of Unimis center of Matar but Bantu Kerutetin so we are following the development area of Rupkon can Bantu go how far why so boy yo as a blala go to Kormatero thing Makonyo Kumune Gazette Bakon Nuye Kadung did media ka Watangamoyo. Mirror update the situation of northern Jonglei state. Pan channeling and Nayata clashes. It was not serious, like Kinjata results, positive results, Kaspela Mayu, Kuichi government forces, take a coward force, Dor Michual quite dang. Can wow. Chika deserted. Chika deserted, Chai equipment, Kenny Albain, a manini the barber. It was the winning. Lulu pan, Wapan, the area of Ayot, Kelu, a pre of SPDF with exception of Palit. Palit in the center, Lukula headquarter of Ayot. Again, go already in a pure number, not in a big number. Lulu currently with Alimat, they will withdraw. That means Kiriamo operation quite intensify with reinforcement may begin. One more can move Ayot. Lulu within this following 2 days. You show Ayot right away. The objective here is like this. Mission is continuous. We're one yam. There are obstacle areas that need to be clear first. First that we talk about them. Number one, take a get that. Tankam. But Mejayu may a cup. Payut your Payut got a medit because I deserted. Anyone take a year but Tamakanize, light ladies to talk. Tagarede. As a talimat, Yaga you tire with me. And up to Kolokabo, who they can only Payut now. a year. Ko big year pa you Jordan. Take one. You are one by Birol. One would indeed me about 4 hour walk. Majorly shook, take you this time. That you are long a million go William, and the Michigan a yen, work a yen a way, big load over you. By child, I shall you could jerken. Cabendian, Kujame. No more obstacle. As well as my is there, as well as my take good over again. Work east and part of UA. Melong the good project of Gadiang. Mulone torching is Tagawano. They need to be clear first. Bao clear first, Plaza youth, and the development work who name member like James Hijeno. But me to you, direction you are. Which I char youth, Kachar Gadiang. So no that will make our operation very easy. Meja overtap. We are going to deal with the clear. At all development situation in our northern Jonglei state that we can say three major issues which happen today, only preparation. So our operation is going on. We're going is going forward. Manuguayo Perkin. So the raw development northern Jonglei state. So we will talk about the deployment of the government forces, areas of Jonglei. Take a one to target the government. T let a collection co other areas, South Sudan, Kajube, and what can or ken. Roll assortment of militia, assortment of specialized unit. Security, within the police, all the assortment, the organized forces. Nanga Jonglei state. They are not ready for war, but current time, take a choice. Take a different one of like a cup, a promotion, and all this. So they are going up to Jonglei. The location of Wogatin, Babis, the indeed, Barat Kamal shot. Mean be all the logistic, a poor logistic, but a thing. And then the combat based. Bawa Gadiang. So no deployment of Gadiang Balare fit these days. Ko don't but take additional force Mananga Gadiang that is start going on there. Cover take a trench preparation. Ko the Alagago and never core battery can carry up Gadiang. So I don't know again the only thing the local mobilization is going on that we need our people to be aware. Ko capacity. And I take a kuma now. We just carry army. So this is the objective. Go in war, you know the enemy. Go long there dinu, and you know yourself. But I go long there dinu, go long ra more dinu. The objective go work on them, but we prepare ourselves for forward marching. Go ban yamade. Go we don't want to waste more energy. Chỉ còn này nó ngoan bây giờ bị băng cái giờ big exhaust. But I had la core me technical core. Mangai kon how to organize it, how to attack, who to attack, when to attack, and all this. The rock can the allo continue in development. Go and government is trying very hard. Go their enforcement that flew in to Jonglei state. That we are talking go and resistant. Because we know the government to collapse. We follow the powers. Take on the thin wall. Till a long ago, the assortment of militia they organize can have powers of today. She relate. Today there is no power, no money. She government is the forward plan. Go on and how we can get money. Kabana Koromana Terdi. I will talk about the result of their security meeting of last time. Which are at post. I did the weakness in the Jagalat. So for that reason, we are strong. Tell the Ormo Conditer, no word, no what, Baladaran. As we know, no fear that I'm going to retire 1 hour on them. Mulunu can the thing the corner mentioned that needs preparation. In summary, we talk about the situation of Unity State Kabantiu, Munichala Tinto, Konindanga Uti, Yokori talked it. So we talk about the development in Northern Jonglei State, security situation, We talk about the mobilization of the government ka pause de ka ta na waje ka jonglei and how not ready they are. Tadi ada kan dia kenu ya ke gua cangdar ma ko dung tin media che me ya lar ko ban lo ji ko gua tyang yo ko tibro rolat. Ada te go cha go gor. Syukran.